Hi everyone, welcome. In this additional with extra Sudokus of today's newspaper on Thursday, September the 10th, 2020. We have here five extra Sudokus. Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 4 stars, a binary, and a tectonic. The first one, we will start. Oh, my camera is moving. Apologies. Alright. Let me position the camera. Yes. Alright. Focus. This will be number 149. Yes. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers so you have an indication of the difficulty level. The 1 star Sudoku has always 27 printed numbers. Let me check if this is correct. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 3 is 8, plus 2 is 10, plus 5 is 15, plus 4 is 19, plus 4 is 23, plus 3 is 26, plus 1 is equal to 27. Correct, so let's get started. Let me see, 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so in the third column the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there, 3 in this row, third row, 3 in the second row, so in the first row the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so in the row below the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below, so in the last row the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there, and all the 3's are used. I can see digit number 1. Alright. How about the number 4? We have a 4 in this column, a 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above, so in that row, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, here 4, no 4 there, the only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4's are used. I can see digit number 2. How about how about the number? Let me see. Three missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. Yes, and now 3 missing numbers in this big square, one of the missing numbers in 8. We see an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 7 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 7. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 7 and 2. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 2 goes there. Then how about the number? The number. Yeah. Yeah. 6, 9, and a 5. 6, 9, and a 5. How about 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. In this row, the first row, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers an 8. We see an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. Then 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 6 here or there. We see 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the middle column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 6. How about the number 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. Only place for the 9 should be there. 1 number left in this column for the number 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 5 should be there. 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then in the first row, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. 1, 2, 3. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 7 and the 1. 7 and a 1. Same like here in this column, 7 and the 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 1 number left, the 7 should be here. 1 number left in the last row for the number 5 is missing. Yes, 5 is missing. How about four missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9. No 9 in these two boxes. There 9. No 9 in those two boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in the first row for the number 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column, so the third column, the only two places for the 9 here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there, and all the 9s are used. I can not see. Yes, missing 1 9. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between, the only two places for the 9 here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Yes, all the 9s are used. Alright. Then, how about one number left in this middle row for the number 1. 1 is missing. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 8 is missing, and 6 is missing. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about these two numbers? 8 and the 5 are missing. 8 and the 5 in the second column. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then these two numbers, 5 and the 6, cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. These two, 1 and the 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. One number left in this row for the number 7. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and an 8 goes there. One number left in the last column for the number 7. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 8. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and an 8 goes there. Two numbers left in this row for the numbers 8 and 5. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 6. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the final two numbers of this big square, the 6 and the 1. 6 and the 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second one. A 2-star Sudoku it will be. So, see you later. Bye bye for now.